watching Big Bennett TV.
Hey guys, so we're here. We got the goodies. We got the best. We got the seafood extravaganza. We got 2.72 kilograms. We got 2 containers of those live rope-grown mussels. We got Olivia's 2 sacks of scallops from frozen. We got 2 king crab. As you would see on Deadliest Catch, we got those. Here's a little teaser of what they look like. Then we're gonna dip those in some really nice lemon and herb butter from Land O'Lakes. And then Trish wanted to get snow crab. She wasn't feeling the king crab. She wanted to get the snow crab. I don't know why she wanted the snow crab. It's got the snow on it, all the good stuff. Then we're gonna top it off with a good old tasty Kirkland Signatures Caesar salad. Let's start that boil. First, you get the biggest pot that you got, and you're gonna want to put some cold water in it. I just filled up the water now. Now you want to take this and put it right here, like so. Now we're gonna take these. These are live. Look at how I'm precisely cutting that. You know what I mean? That's how you want to cut it. They smell like absolutely nothing, but they are alive. So we're gonna pop those right in the pot. Wow, and they're small, so they're gonna be like delicious. Because the small ones are always delicious, and these ones, they don't have like barnacles or anything like that on them. They're really, I think these are farmed. They're organic, gluten-free, all that good stuff. Just going right in there. I'm gonna put the juice in too. That's gonna add some extra flavor. That's a frig load of mussels, but I'm gonna make even more simply because I got some guests coming over, and those guests can take some home because I'm not gonna be able to eat all these mussels. I'll turn into a mussel. It's a frig load of mussels, though, I'll tell you. And these were, for these 2 containers, $12.99. So, I don't know if that's a good deal, bad deal, but that's what we paid.
You should add more water.
Oh no, they're good. These are fully submerged, so now we're gonna put this on high, and we're gonna wait till this gets nice and hot. Show them what's cooking in the stove.
Oh, it just got really like steamy.
What?
Your camera.
Hey, don't touch the lens.
What got all steamy?
Alright guys, so now we gotta rinse these off under some cold water. Just gonna get rid of like any oil and stuff like that was in the water, like the salt water. So as you can see, it's coming right off. These ones were very stiff.
And why do you need to run them under cold water?
Because there's a lot of oil from all like the gas companies and stuff like that, just draining their they're just draining their oil into the oceans and stuff. So gotta make sure that's washed off. So right now Trish got 2 clusters. 2 clusters. Now I got the king crab. This is the good stuff. This is like crab you've never seen before. Look at that.
Whoa. Compare it to mine.
This stuff is actually from, this is like Africa crab. You can smell Africa. And if you look right here, it's the red. The red is where it's from. That's Africa. So it's Africa, it's Atlantic Ocean crab, so that's gonna be good. Into the pot she goes. Now I'm gonna put the water into the pot because we need to do that. No, I'm gonna save this one. I'm gonna leave this one unopened until my friend gets here because they don't cook long. And I want to make sure he knows that he's not getting ripped off from crab. Because he's like that. He thinks everyone's out to rip him off. Come check out this filling up. And that's what it looks like when you put water in a pot. Always make sure that when you're boiling water, you make sure your water is cold. You always add cold water. Cold water always boils faster. So now, we're gonna wait till this gets nice and hot. And in order for it to get hot, you need to turn the burner on high.
What's next?
Put the lid on. Like so, it's a clear lid, so we're gonna be able to see this stuff bubble, boil, all that good stuff. You're gonna really get a nice seafood aroma. Good. So now
one guy in there.
we got the mussels off. The mussels are right here. Oh, that's what's cooked.
Listen, you're paying $300
Wow.
a month.
You guys could smell this. The smell, the aroma is real good. So now we're gonna put this on the stove because we didn't have enough time to put that on the stove. We're definitely gonna have to use both bags of these.
But then now he's moving to Halifax and he's gonna buy another house there, do the same thing, live in it, rent out, and then the whole
Just like that.
house that's here,
As they
he's
put
gonna
it
be
on.
rented and he'll profit from that.
Putting this 2 sacks.
But he's doing it. But he
Boom.
wants to do the same thing, sell them all, eventually get into a big building. That's what he's trying to do. Yeah.
Just like this.
It
And
works hard. And like in Italy, you only get
Just like
paid
that.
once a month, so you learn from a young age.
come here and smell this, guys. You guys smell that? Of course not, silly.
Yeah, well, I mean,
But it does smell really good. Really, really good. So we're gonna cook these up, make sure they're nice and good, delicious, scrumptious, whatever kind of thing you want to say, and then we're gonna get the butter ready. We're gonna have that. All right, guys, so we got a good butter out. The delicious butter. If you could see that right here. Cut it in half. So one in the bowl. Another one in the bowl, and well, we're gonna take it out of wrapping, but this lemon herb butter, this is what you need. This is clutch. And this is how you get your Caesar salad ready.
First, you gotta send out a text to your friend that's supposed to be here like an hour ago and make sure that she's coming. And then you're going to want to take out all the stuff that you gotta mix in with it.
And I forgot to show you guys, Paul's here, and Paul got some crab too, and he got his energy drink and his espresso shot, and he's heavily caffeinated, guys.
Ready to eat.
Yeah. And you know, we're just gonna put these on the side and these on the side. Do you want to pass me the scissors?
The Caesar? The smell in this place is actually incredible.
It's delicious.
So these are cooking up just nicely. This stuff's foaming at the mouth. We got the butter, the butterettes, and the table is starting to get ready.
We got more fish.
Yeah, we actually got more fish, guys. Trish, do you want to introduce the new fish?
Yeah, so we got this guy right here. I haven't named him yet. And then if you go back here, PJ, the one on the wall far back there, the polka dotted one, his name is Oreo. And then there's the other orange guy, he's hiding behind the leaves right there. And then we got another algae eater.
Yeah, these two swim together. They're like friends.
Yeah, and the two male guppies swim together too. But and I noticed the algae eaters kind of stay in the same spot too. But the new orange guy and the new like Oreo guy, they kind of like keep to themselves.
Trish, why are you pouring the Sprite?
Because I want Sprite.
Okay. But yeah, Paul's got the king crab.
Ready.
He's got it ready.
Pre-cut, no clackers needed.
No clackers. This is my king crab. Trisha's casino crab. And we got the mussels. Those are fully cooked. Those are the scallops. So now all we got to do is eat in. And I'm gonna get the butters. Didn't even cook. Wow. Paul, what's going through your mind right now? Did you crack them open?
Cracked one, got it ready. Ready for the butter.
Getting the equal distribution of the scallops. And Trish, how you feeling?
Really good.
Why aren't you having mussels?
Haven't gotten there yet.
Alright, alright. This is what it likes being the head of the table. Right here. Paul's over there dipping in that butter. How good is it, Paul? With the butter?
Oh, it's so good.
How good is it, Trish, with the butter?
I haven't tried the crab yet. I haven't had a chance to.
That's the butter. It's gonna be good, guys. I'll try some scallops. Some old scallions. It tastes like chicken of the sea. That's good though.
Oh yeah. A little more work than chicken, but good.
Yeah, Trish gave me her legs to crack because she cannot crack them. No phones at the table, Trish. Trish, no cell phones at the table.
You're on your camera.
Yeah, but this is so people can see. Like I can show people that
This is what it's like when you have money and you want to have a good time.
yeah, when you are like loaded like Paul, you can have seafood extravaganzas.
Scallops are good.
Those are mussels.
The scallops
Oh. Guys, I'm gonna get to cracking some of this crab meat. I'm gonna show you guys my reaction of how good it is. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you pretty much how you pre-crack them, even though they're already cracked. I'm not gonna show you to pre-crack them. I'm not gonna show you how to crack them because they're already cracked. They come apart like butter. But I'm gonna show you how good these are. And if like you should get them. Or not get them. Or just enjoy them from at home. Watching me enjoy them. I'm dipping it right in the lemon herb butter. Mmm. Atlantic king crab finest. Like guys, not lying, this is good crab and not one piece is gonna be put in the garbage. Because one, it's really expensive. Two, delicious. And everyone else loves it too. Like Trish, she loves it. Like me, well Trish doesn't like it because she got this. This is the same crab that's at Casino Moncton. Right? She doesn't like Casino Moncton crab.
Yeah, I know. You're a really great boyfriend.
I've never seen another man crack his girlfriend's crab for me. That's pretty good.
PJ's brother.
I'm using scissors because we don't have crackers because we don't eat a lot of seafood here. We really don't, but when you're going through like withdrawals where you haven't had seafood in a while, you gotta have it. And this stuff is fresher than friggin' Skipper Jack's seafood. These mussels, they were live like 10 minutes ago. They were live. It's just delicious, guys. If you guys want to make some seafood extravaganza, feel free to, and tag me in it so I can see it, and I'll give you a shout out on my next seafood video. You guys make one, but the lemon butter, it puts a nice,
Lemony butter?
yeah, it puts a nice lemony butter flavor on the crab. But no, you guys must want to know, is there a difference between king crab and snow crab and rock crab? And the thing is, there's a difference. The king crab has a lot of more meat. The meat is a little bit more tender and not stringy and stuff like that. It's a nice tender meat.
Can I try a piece? Like a good piece?
Yeah. I'm gonna let Trish try some king crab for the first time. See what she thinks. Ready, Trish? I just gave her some king crab. Trish, tell us what you think. Walk us through it. I would show you guys Trish's reaction right now, but my hands are...
How's everything coming?
Really good. It's actually the best crab I ever had.
Is it?
Yeah, it actually is.
And it's good.
Hi, everybody.
My mom's here. She just wanted to say hi. She actually had her own seafood. She was eating some salmon.
Yeah.
So, she likes that. She's not big like shellfish. She doesn't like shellfish. She likes like the fish.
Yeah, the ones that swim through the water, not the ones that are bottom eaters. Excuse me, guys. I don't want to down your food, so.
What a way to add extra flavor to our crab.
Enjoy.
If you guys are watching this right now, and I mean right now, you guys need to turn the ignition on in your car, drive down to your local seafood spot, and ask for king crab, and get some, because if not, you're missing out. And your mouth is probably watering right now, like mine isn't, but it's delicious. Guys, I'm gonna end this here. I'm gonna finish off the rest of my crab. Enjoy the crab. Whoa, I actually cut my finger on this crab shell. Yeah, it actually cut me, guys. That's crazy.
Oh my God.
So, I'll see you in the next one. If there is a next one, I'm just kidding. There's always going to be a next one. Tune in next week. We're doing something. I don't know what it is. I don't plan it until the day that I plan it. So, I don't know 100% what we're doing. Make sure you guys like the video, subscribe. If you want to see more videos coming out, hit that bell notification. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.